Hello everyone, welcome to this new presentation regarding the software testing. So how to test a software. First of all, we're going to talk about notions and also present some type of software. What is a testing activity? What are the challenges that are linked to a testing activity? What is a test strategy and lesson learned from testing activities? So first of all, what is a software? A software will take data as input and also process data and produce data as output. The software also presents a user interface, a database, and sometimes technical processes or procedures that execute, treat, process, manipulate, transform that data. And a software also automates an operational task and a process or an activity. So there are different kind of software. There are software focused on interfaces. So the design of the layout is important, like websites, web apps, and so on. There are software that are more to store data, like data warehouses. There are software that are more for procedures, other that are more for data flows and lead embedded system and EA-oriented software. So what is the testing activity? The testing activity depends on the type of software you are testing. If you are testing the user interfaces, you may need to test the easiness of the browsing, the responsiveness of the forms, the layout, but also the color and the styles. If you are testing a database, you want to make sure that the database store and restitutes information with accuracy. If you are testing a procedure, you want to make sure that the procedure runs in time. If you are testing a data flow, you may need to test that there is ability to send and receive the defined information without distorting the data. If you are testing an embedded system, you want to make sure that the device is running alone, but also running inside a system of other devices. And if you are testing intelligence, artificial intelligence, you want to make sure also that the model that is defined can adapt to a new set of data. So, what are the challenges that you can face while testing? First of all, you are testing an expected behavior. The expected behavior is defined in requirements. You are testing an expected behavior with an expected level of quality. You have to report regarding the bugs and defects that you encounter during testing. You have to make sure that the testing strategy is adequate, so matches with the kind of software that you are testing. You have to prioritize the testing, so which subset of requirement are you starting the testing with, and also you have to make sure that you have a kind of system to solve bugs and defects. So these are the challenges that you can face while testing. You have to define a test strategy. What is a test strategy? The test strategy define what is tested, how it is tested, also when the test is done and who is testing. The most important thing is before starting the strategy, you have to make sure that you have in mind the goals that this strategy is trying to achieve. And when you have done your testing strategy, make sure that you have also provide the testing tools and environments and that you have checked the availability and provide also to tester the user accesses. So what lessons can we learn from the testing activities in general? First of all, you have to make sure that you are testing a requirement. You want to make sure that the expected behavior is what the software is currently doing. So you have to define your test cases from a requirement. Also, you have to develop a kind of iterative an incremental testing approach. You have to test at unit level, at integration level, but also at system level for a subset of requirements. So you have to be complete in your testing approach. Also, you have to involve end user in the testing activity on early stage because the end users are the one who know better what they expect from the software. So on early stage, they will be able to give you the feedback that will help you to improve your testing, your results, and also your implementation. So thank you, and don't hesitate to contact us for a few more questions, more information, and see you in the next presentation. Bye.